In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Redragon speakers to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up any Redragon speaker model that you have and use it on your PlayStation 5. All of the audio being output through the console will go over to the speakers or the soundbar instead of your display or TV. So all that you have to do is plug it in either to your PlayStation 5 or to a display. So usually this will be done with the provided USB cable. So if it needs a wired connection for your speakers, all that you have to do is plug them through a USB port available on your PlayStation 5. Try plugging them in directly and see if it works. So test the audio. You can go over to the audio devices and you should be able to see the Redragon speakers listed in there. If you notice that when you connect the Redragon speakers through a USB cable directly to the PlayStation 5, they do not appear under the list of available devices, then what you can try instead is to plug them in directly to your TV or monitor. Once again, all of the audio being output on the TV or your specific display will go over to the speakers instead. And because your PlayStation 5 is connected to a display, essentially all of the audio being output through the PlayStation 5 will also go to the soundbar. If you have a different connection, then just use that instead. This can also be 3.5mm. You just have to plug the proper cable coming out of the soundbar into the PlayStation 5 or your display. This will also work for a PC, a TV, a laptop, and so on. So all that you have to do is usually plug it into a USB cable. If you have a wireless version of these speakers, you will either be using a USB wireless dongle or you will have to connect them over Bluetooth. And once again, you just have to follow the steps, go over to the Bluetooth settings and enable it, to choose it from under the list of available devices, or power it on when you have the USB dongle connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Redragon speakers to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.